In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find settings in Canva. This will be a quick, simple walkthrough that's perfect if you're just getting started or if you've been using Canva for a while but aren't quite sure where all the options live. First, go ahead and open Canva and log into your account if you're not already signed in. You'll land on the main homepage where you usually start your designs. Take a moment to let everything load so the interface looks complete and nothing is still refreshing. Now, to access your settings, you'll want to look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. In that area, you should see a small profile icon. This might appear as your initials, a profile picture, or a simple user icon, depending on how your account is set up. It's easy to miss because it's not at the top like many other apps, so focus your attention on that lower left corner. Once you've located that profile icon, move your mouse over it and click. When you click on the profile icon, a small menu or panel will open. This is your personal account area, where you can manage things related to your profile and how Canva behaves for you. Inside this menu, look for the option labeled Settings. It's usually clearly written as Settings and sits alongside other account-related options. Take a brief moment to scan the list so you don't accidentally click the wrong item. When you see Settings, go ahead and click on it. As soon as you do, Canva will open your main settings page. From here, you can adjust various preferences such as your account details, language, and other options that control how Canva works for you. Even though we're not changing anything specific in this video, it's a good idea to remember this path. From the home page, down to the profile icon on the bottom left, then into settings. If you ever get lost while exploring Canva's features, just come back to that bottom left corner, click your profile, and choose settings again. It's the central place you'll visit whenever you need to review or adjust anything tied to your account. That's all there is to it. You now know exactly where to find the settings in Canva, starting from the main screen and using that profile icon in the lower left corner.